Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the paper tears green screen video as transition to your video edits in the CapCut PC. So as you guys know that there are lots of options on the CapCut stock videos that you can easily add to your edit, maybe as transition or maybe as a reference. And here I'm going to use it as a transition to my edits. So for example, I'm going to add the tier paper transition. So what you need to do on the CapCut PC is go to the media and then click on the library. Here I'm going to go to the green screen section. Okay, so in here just scroll down until you find the video that you want. So I'm going to add this tier paper green screen. Click on the plus icon and drag it to the top of the clip like this, so it will make the green screen as overlay. Then get rid of the green screen by using the chroma key. Go to video, cut out, and then turn on the chroma key. Then drag the color picker to the green screen. Adjust the strength and also the shadow until you see the video in the background. Okay, you can adjust it to your liking like this. So the video will go like so. Okay, I'm going to make it short. I'm going to shorten it to 1 second only. So now the video will look like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.